Here are 5 signs na bagay sa iyong magtayo ng travel agency. I am Cheksai, a DOT trainer and a travel agency owner. Number 1, you love planning and organizing. If you enjoy putting together trips, comparing options, and creating smooth experiences, this is a strong indicator. Number 2, you're patient and customer-oriented. Travel is emotional. Clients need reassurance, guidance, support. If you enjoy helping people, you'll thrive. Number 3, you want active work. You don't mind being in an office, pero pag kailangan lumabas, mag-travel, mag-explore, kaya mo rin. Number 4, you are resourceful. Travel agents solve problems, from flight changes and unexpected situations. If you are calm and solution-oriented, this industry is for you. Number 5, you are willing to learn. Ang industriyang ito evolves constantly. Those who are willing to learn continuously stays ahead. Kung bagay ka dito, pero kailangan mo pa ng clarity, enroll in Learn, Earn, Return. Comment how to learn more.